this. One day, Yom al-Jum'ah, Imam is preparing his khutbah, his sermon, and he had a problem. His problem was that his wife decided to go shopping and leave their 5-year-old son home with the Imam. So the wife, she left. The Imam went and got a magazine, and he started thumbing through the pages of the magazine until he found what he's looking for. He saw a picture of the map of the world, and he tore the picture into little pieces. And he said to his son, "Son, I'm going to give you a puzzle. If you get this puzzle right, I'll give you $1." And the son said, "Okay." And the Imam worked on the sermon. He said, I got rid of him. In a couple of minutes, the son comes back with the map of the world perfectly put together. All the oceans, the rivers, the trees, the nations, everything perfectly put together. And the Imam is puzzled. He said, "You're 5 years old, son. How you do that?" He said, "Dad, it was easy." Because he was looking on the other side of the map of the world, and there was a picture of a man, and he put the man together. His father gave him $1 and said, "Son, thank you for giving me my sermon for today. Put the man together and the world will automatically come together." We got a lot of work to do. We have a lot of work to do. Wallahi, I have faith in you. But be confident, be humble, keep our eyes focused on Quran and the prophetic hadith of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. May Allah bless Mass. And you know what I learned about the brothers from Mass? They're different from the brothers of Ikna and Isna and Kia. Almost all the brothers from Mass are like heavy, like really strong. I noticed there were about 5 brothers from Mass in the back, and all of them were muscular. May Allah bless Mass and all of our Muslim organizations. Let us work together for Allah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.